Dance parties are good for the brain and soul. Whether you're a kid or an adult, a good dance party will lift your spirits and get you moving. Movement is critical for your little one's physical development and growth, but that's not all. Listening to and learning lyrics is an important part of language and reading development, and the beats and rhythm of music are related to math concepts. Dancing can also help children develop spatial awareness as they move their body around and try not to bump into things. On top of all that, dancing is an amazing form of creative expression and a positive outlet for those big feelings they experience each day, and just a fun way to let that toddler energy out. Whether you are a working parent, stay-at-home parent, type A planner who has a detailed schedule to follow, or someone who likes to go with the flow, we need to all make time for a dance party. So take a moment to slow down and dance it up. What song will you pick for your dance party? Let us know in the comments below.